Today we are starting with respiration. It is the process where intake of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide and ATP is released. But in breathing, ATP is not released. Types of respiration. There are two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. The food material taken in during the process of nutrition is used in cells to provide energy for various life processes. Diverse organisms do this in different manner. Some use oxygen to break down glucose completely into carbon dioxide and water, and some use other pathways that do not involve oxygen. The first step is the breakdown of glucose, which is a 6-carbon compound, into a 3-carbon compound known as pyruvate. This process takes place in cytoplasm. After that, pyruvate may be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Now we are starting with anaerobic respiration. In this process, example yeast, their particular process completes, and that is known as fermentation. During this process, absence of oxygen is there and formation of ethanol is there. Aerobic respiration. Glucose breaks up into 3-carbon pyruvate molecule, which give rise to 3 molecule of carbon dioxide. The other product is water. Since this process takes place in the presence of air, it is called aerobic respiration. Now we will see, this is the glucose 6-carbon compound. Inside the cytoplasm, pyruvate 3-carbon molecule, absence of oxygen. In yeast, formation of ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. Lack of oxygen in human muscle cells, formation of lactic acid and energy. And third one, presence of oxygen in mitochondria, formation of carbon dioxide, water and energy. Terrestrial organisms use the oxygen in the atmosphere for respiration. This oxygen is absorbed by different organs in different animals. All these organs have a structure that increases the surface area which is in contact with the oxygen-rich atmosphere. Since the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide has to take place across this surface is very fine and delicate. In order to protect this surface, that will take air to this area. Today, whatever I have taught you, its notes I am sending you. Thank you.